Good evening traders, welcome to 200forextips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 6th of September 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and also press to the notification button so that you can get the forex trading analysis from my side. Okay guys, now let's move towards the today's analysis. Yesterday we have taken the U-turn on 3 pairs only, so that's why we have not updated the video. But today we are going to talk about the pairs that have hit as per the signals report. So starting with New Zealand USD with a bullish expectation from 063904 and 064293 is the target price. And guys, you can see a sweet bullish trend on New Zealand USD, and it has went beyond the barriers of the target price. So congratulations to all those traders who have taken the buy positions today on this pair. They must have ended up with very good profits. At next we are going to talk about the AUD USD. So I have supplied the let me take you towards the signals report. I have supplied the bullish signal in case of AUD USD from 068280 and 068645 was the target price. And guys, you can see a sweet a bullish trend on this pair too, and the market went near to the target price. So congratulations to the traders who have taken the buy positions today on AUD USD. At next we are going to talk about USD Canadian dollar. So guys, I have supplied the bearish trend in case of USD Canadian dollar because it was into the weaker zone when I was preparing the signals in the morning. So the entry was from 132026, and guys, you can see that we have a drop on USD Canadian dollar and it has almost touched 131546. So if you have traded this one, then you must have ended up with very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about the Euro JPY. Okay guys, I'm going to take you towards the signals report. So overall, if you look at Euro JPY, it has gone nowhere. It has just break our entry zone, and with a bearish expectation from 118001, and you can see the target price is 116901. So if it goes in the closing session of the day, then we can expect the downward chances on this pair, but overall it's into the downward trend. At next we are going to talk about Great Britain Pound USD. Okay guys, Great Britain Pound USD, the signal is on the way. I have supplied the bearish signal. Overall the market was slow during the first and the evening session, but now it's showing us some little momentum in the market. So overall, with a bearish expectation from 13104 and 121292 is the target price. You can see the levels are already set, and we have done scalping because you know that after some hours the market is going to close, so we do not prefer to trade during that time. So scalping is done on Great Britain Pound USD. So overall with a bearish signal. At last, I'm going to talk about USD CHF. So guys, USD CHF is losing at my end, but hopefully you must have taken the profit because it is closed late at my end. 098762 was the bullish entry. And guys, you can see in the morning, few hours ago, you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours ago, the market started to go up and it has went finally up. And after that, we have a drop. I have closed it late. That's why it's the losing trade at my end. But if you have traded these 4 to 5 hours, then you must have the good profits at your end. Rest of the pairs have not taken the U-turn, so there is no need to talk about the rest of the pairs that have not taken the U-turn. Okay guys, I'm going to talk about the trading system here. This is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain. Whenever you see that any pair is into the lower red boundary, and if it starts gaining the momentum from that level, you can buy the pair. And if the scalper points you with the white arrow at the top red the lower red boundary, then it means that it is giving you a buy signal, and look how swiftly the market has went up. And similarly guys, whenever you see that there is a red signal at the top, into the top red boundary, then it means that the market can be rejected, and look, it is rejected from the levels. And whenever the market is into the lower red boundary, then it can go up, and this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, we have closed this week in a very good manner, and hopefully you also have enjoyed the profits. So guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare this signals report. This signal report is based on a trick, and the trick is very simple. If you want to learn that how I prepare the signal report, I teach this trick for $700, and I take the trader on Skype for 3 days, and I prepare the signals with them, and I teach them the method that how I prepare the signals. So I sell this trick for $700. If you want to get this trick, or if you are interested in any of the other service, then you need to contact me on info@200forexpips.com. Okay guys, please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice weekend ahead. Bye.